Your machine can do it all. Piece all day and quilt all night. I'm going to show you how to set up your sewing machine for free motion quilting. The very first step we're going to do is drop our feed dogs. We could do it later, but I always forget, so I like to do it at the beginning. We're going to be installing the hopping foot, also known as an embroidery foot, in order to free motion quilt. But first, I need to take my snap shank off. Do that, I'm just coming down here, unscrewing that. So to start, I'm going to make sure that my lever goes over the needle clamp screw. The side of my foot goes around and over my shank. There we go. And then I'm going to tighten this down. So that it's tight and doesn't wiggle around whenever I move on it. And it's all installed. Let's get started. You put your presser foot down and you're going to take your needle in just once by hand. All right, once you've got that stitch in there, you're going to pull it up so that you pull your bottom thread up. I'm just going to use a little tool to pull it all the way, and then you can take your thread back through. I'm going to set my machine to do a stay stitch, and then I'm going to bring it down. I remember that my foot's down, so that's all fine. And I can tell it to start, and I'm just going to pull my thread so that whenever I start sewing forward, it's going to cross over it. Once you're done free motion quilting, you're going to take and pull your top thread gently so you got some working room. You're going to bring the needle down where you stopped, bring up one stitch, and then using that slack that you pulled, you're going to bring that bottom thread back up, pull it, trim it, and then you're all done. Now you're set up and ready to go. Thanks for watching. A special thanks to our sponsor, Eversewn. I love this machine, and if you'd like to get one too, check out shopaqs.com. Members always get 20% off, and you can get additional savings by using the code down in the description.